Here we have a RAV4. She's a 2001 in excellent condition. Excellent. Look at those chassis legs down there. Look at those chassis legs. Inner wings, absolutely lovely. Quality battery fitted. A little bit of sun fading on the front bumper. All the tyres are like new. No rust at all down the back of the doors. Electric sunroof works fine, opens great, does everything it's meant to do. Seats virtually unmarked. Look at the condition of the carpets, don't look like anyone's ever stood on them. Lovely order, got your 3 safety belts in the back. Same thing, no rust anywhere. Back tyre, fantastic condition, well, virtually new. What's going on here?